With over 40 years of delivering sustainable water management solutions for infrastructure projects, Marshall Civils and Drainage provide efficient, high-flow CKD and channel drainage systems built within the structure of a kerb. Manufacturing our products in Britain at our West Lane production site minimises the supply route from production to customer. With a history of using recycled water and recently implementing cement replacements in our manufacturing processes, we are able to offer the most sustainable products possible. We are committed to achieving the highest possible standards to ensure that all of our operations meet or exceed the requirements of legislation, including ISO 9001, ISO 50001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001. Water management is our thing. Whether you are looking for surface, foul, flood or stormwater solutions, Marshall Civils and Drainage is here for you.